policy of the government of India is being compromised.
Francis G. Karshing, who was recently appointed as the mission director of the DREAM project, yesterday met Social Welfare Minister Paul Lyngdoh to discuss the way forward in dealing with drug menace in the state. In the meeting, he apprised the minister that he would call a meeting with NGOs, students and other stakeholders on November 13 to discuss a few projects under the DREAM initiative. Karshing, who's also retired police officer, supported the idea of having a dedicated task force to deal with the menace of drugs as policemen are overburdened with their duties.
The initial aim is engaging with the community. This is very, very important. We have to, as a part of the government, as part of this DREAM project, we have to raise maximum awareness about this, and this can only be achieved with, working with the SHNOMs, with the community, with society at large, with NGOs, with users, with rehab, how to sort this out. We will hit the ground running. We will be moving very fast, and, as far as I can, to interact with the people at large.
The Nongrim dance